Saudi Arabia is transforming rapidly, thanks to the power of the internet, e-learning, and technology. These game changers are empowering people, boosting the economy, and revolutionizing lifestyles. The internet has connected Saudis to the world, opening doors to new knowledge and opportunities. E-learning has made education accessible, enabling us to acquire new skills effortlessly. Technology is reshaping industries, from healthcare to finance, creating jobs and endless possibilities. As Saudi Arabia embraces the digital age, we are emerging as a technology leader in the Middle East. Change is happening, and it's exciting. Hi. I'm your name, and I'm super excited to share some news with you. I just applied for the Media Intern position at company name, and I can't wait to dive into the world of media. I've always been passionate about the media industry, and I've worked hard to develop my skills in video editing, graphic design, and social media management. I've also learned the importance of teamwork, communication, and organization through my extracurricular activities. What really excites me is the chance to contribute to company name's reputation for creating engaging and impactful media content. I know my skills and enthusiasm would be a perfect fit for your team's goals and objectives. I'm eager to learn from experienced professionals and bring my fresh perspective to the table. So, if you're interested, I'm available for an interview whenever suits you best. Thanks for considering my application. I can't wait to discuss my qualifications further with you. Talk soon. So, picture this: a beautiful Caribbean island, a hidden treasure, and a riddle that stumped everyone. People came from far and wide, but no one could crack it. Until I arrived. Diego, the puzzle master. I studied that riddle, pondered it for hours, and then it hit me. The answer was right there, hidden in plain sight. I rushed to the spot, dug deep, and there it was, the treasure. I couldn't believe it. I had done it. The treasure was finally mine. Gemstone Moneybag #treasure hunter #puzzle master #victory.
In 2007, Apple introduced the iPhone, a groundbreaking mobile phone that changed the industry. Sleek, magical touchscreen. Pictures, internet, music, all in one device. Apple kept making it better. Now one of the most popular phones in the world. Connect with friends, learn new things, have fun. iPhone, the ultimate connection.